quick and delicious, keto and paleo dessert recipes. Discover the healthy sweetener that increases fat storage 3,900% and is the #1 most dangerous ingredient in your diet. The ketogenic diet is wildly popular for good reason, because it works. But for all these life-changing benefits, keto is not always easy. The #1 reason why people fail is that they are unable to resist the temptation of their favorite comfort foods, especially sweet treats and desserts. But I have great news for you today. In the next few minutes, I will share my secrets, and how to get the very best recipes, so you can easily follow a 100% keto diet and still enjoy the sweetest, richest and most decadent desserts you've ever tasted. Most so-called healthy desserts are still loaded with sugar. Popular websites, recipe books, and food companies promote healthy desserts that cut out refined sugar, but replace it with Paleo-Approved Sweeteners like dates, maple syrup, coconut sugar, agave, and honey. Let me show you how much sugar is still in these foods. 675 grams. One recipe for double chocolate caramel brownies contains 675 grams of sugar. These desserts are not healthy, and the primary sweetener in them, fructose, is a dangerous, mutant sugar that increases fat storage, ages your body faster, and raises levels of heart attack particles in your blood. But I have the solution for you. Introducing your guide to baking grain-free, low-carb desserts, including 55+ keto-friendly dessert recipes with an amazing 5 grams net carbs or less. These ketogenic, grain-free desserts taste so good, you will never miss the carbs and sugar. Grab your keto-friendly dessert recipes from the link below. They are made with natural, zero-carb sweeteners, grain-free flour, and healthy, slimming fats. And the best part? They are all very easy to make and have extraordinary taste. You can enjoy every delicious bite, and go back for seconds, without a moment of guilt. Inside this beautifully designed book, you'll find mouth-watering cheesecakes, moist and decadent cakes, simple pies and tarts, crispy and chewy cookies, blissful brownies and bars, soufflés, mousse and custard, indulgent ice creams, melt-in-your-mouth chocolates, and tasty toppings and frostings. These desserts are not only delicious but also nourishing and truly healthy. You can have a second serving, enjoy dessert as a snack, or even have your dessert before dinner if you want. They are aligned with the magic macros of the ketogenic diet, so you can stay in the keto zone. And to make it even better, every image in Keto Desserts book is an original photo taken in our test kitchen. So you can expect the exact same results. You can get a digital copy of Keto Desserts for just $17. Or a physical copy shipped directly to you for just $17 plus $6.50 postage costs. Don't miss out on these decadent sweet treats that are both delicious and healthy. Get your copy of Keto Desserts from the link below now and start baking these amazing recipes today. With fail-proof formulas, taste tested to perfection, easy preparation, and full nutrition info, you can enjoy these desserts guilt-free. Don't settle for second-rate recipe books. Trust in Keto Desserts to satisfy your sweet tooth while keeping you healthy. Order now from the link below and indulge in the most delicious keto and paleo desserts you've ever tasted.